गुड मर्निङ क्लास 12। आज म तिमीहरूलाई च्याप्टर 2बाट एचएसमा आएका प्रश्नहरू विभिन्न सालमा एचएसमा आएका प्रश्नहरूको लङ क्वेसन, सर्ट क्वेसन, अब्जेक्टिभ के आएको छ म त्यो दिन गइरहेछु। नम्बर 1 क्वेसन छ एक्सप्लेन द ओरिजिन अफ भेरियस ल्यान्ड फर्म्स इन अ कास्ट रिजन विथ सुटेबल डायग्राम। यो 2015मा आएको छ। यसको उत्तर विथ डायग्राम तिमीहरूले दिनुपर्छ। यस प्रकारले the solubility of limestone causes a number of peculiar features to be formed in a limestone region. These include sinkholes, doline and uvula, polge and horns, carven with stalactite and stalagmite, holicites and pillars, grikes and clients, cast windows, lapis, terra rosa, blind valley and cast lake. Okay, so diagram is given here. Sinkhole, terra rosa and the lapis are formed in the youth stage of cast cycle. The solvent action of water on limestone creates funnel-shaped hollow on the surface through which the surface streams pass underground. These are known as sinkholes. In course of time, a number of sinkholes merge together to form a doline. Later, the doline gets enlarged, forming uvula. Okay. A pitted surface of limestone with rocks panicles separated by deep groups formed by solution is known as lapis in France and Cairn in Germany. So lapis one diagram is given here. Okay, so terra rosa is a reddish clayey residual soil found in a karst region which is very fertile and rich in iron. Doline and uvula are formed in the mature stage of karst cycle. They are often found in limestone caves. A limestone cave is often characterized by stalactites, deposits of limestone hanging from the roof, and stalagmite, limestone deposit rising upward from the floor. When stalactites and the stalagmites join together, a limestone pillar or the column is formed. A limestone cave may also have helicities, limestone deposits hanging in an inclined manner from the cave roof. Okay, from the cave roof. Dorypostones are stones, dripstones attached to the cave roof through which drops of water fall on the ground. Okay, so here diagram is given: stalactite, stalagmite, cave and pillar. When a portion of the cave roof is moved by the solvent action of rainwater, a hole is created in the cave roof. This is called a karst window. Though it is underground, streams can be viewed. The surface stream that disappears underground through sinkholes leaves behind dry valley on the surface. These are called blind valley. Sometimes sinkholes and doline are concentrated by underground tunnels called ponors. Okay, so when the sediments are deposited in a doline, the pores in the doline are clogged. Water collected in the doline cannot percolate downwards. It is then that the water remains in the doline, forming a karst lake. The water in a karst lake always remains above the water table. Due to the solution action of water on limestone dip, the linear furrows are formed on the surface. These are known as grikes. They are separated by rectangular masses of the rocks, forming higher ground in between them, these are called clients. Okay, then so here diagram is given. So in the ultimate stage of karst cycle, the cave roof collapse and the coalescence of several uvulas result in the formation of a polge. It is a huge depression. Residual mountains remaining on the polge are called humps. In the ultimate stage, due to collapse of the cave roof, all the features inside the cave are exposed on the surface. Okay, so polge and humps diagram is given here. You also have to draw this while giving the answer. So the next question, which comes in HS 2017, with the help of diagram discuss the formation of sinkholes, polge and the drip stones developed in a karst region. Limestone is soluble in water containing carbon dioxide. The solvent action of the water on limestone creates funnel-shaped hollows on the surface, through which the surface streams pass underground. These are known as sinkholes. In course of time, a number of sinkholes merge together to form a doline. Later, the doline gets enlarged, forming uvulas. Okay, so you have to draw this drawing also. In the ultimate stage of the karst cycle, the cave roofs collapse and the coalescence of several uvulas result in the formation of a polge. It is a huge depression, residual mountain. Okay, it remaining on the polge are called humps. In the ultimate stage, due to collapse of the cave roof, all the features inside the cave are exposed on the surface. When joints and cracks developed in a limestone region due to the solvent action of rainwater containing carbon dioxide, water droplets fall from the roof of a limestone cave. The dripping of water from calcareous deposit within the limestone cave. These are called dripstone. There are includes stalactite, stalagmite, halicites, helicmite, limestone pillar, etc. Okay. So then फेरि के आएको छ भन्दाखेरि 2 मार्क्सको प्रश्न आएको छ. डिस्टिङ्ग्विस बिट्विन एक्युफायर एन्ड द Aquifer and aqueducts, both side column are given here. 1, 2, 3. 3 differences are given because it carries 2 marks. Aquifer is the layer of rocks holding water under the ground, whereas aqueducts is a zone that restricts the flow of water from one aquifer to another. Secondly, it is a permeable layer of rocks, whereas aqueducts is a completely impermeable. Aquifer groundwater can be extracted from an aquifer by boring a well, whereas aqueous groundwater cannot be extracted from the aquifer. Okay, यो भयो तिम्रो 2 मार्क्सको प्रश्न. ओके, त्यसपछि आएको छ what is blind valley. यो पनि 2 मार्क्सको एचएस मार्क्स छ 2016 मा. In a karst region, when a surface stream disappears underground through a sinkhole, it leaves behind a dry valley which is known as a blind valley. Mention 3 regions where limestone cave are found in India. Limestone cave found in India are the Maushami cave of Cherrapunji, the Bora cave of the Arukko Valley in Arunachal Pradesh, and Tapakaswar in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. What is bogeys? Bogeys is a grike of a huge dimension. Okay, what are grikes and clines found in India? In India, grikes and clines are found in the Nandini mines of Madhya Pradesh. And the next is humps, HS 2018 ma. So what is Glaciers. Glacier is a hot spring which throws a jet of hot water and streams into the air at regular interval. Okay. Then the next question, 2016 में आएगा सर. During the formation of the sedimentary rocks, sometimes water remains confined into the rocks, such as water to know as connect water. And the next, the unsaturated layer which extends from the surface of the earth up to the phreatic layers is known as Buddha zone. A significant crust region of India is 2018 में आएको छ बोरा केव. So your chapter 2 बाट डिफ्रेन्ट इयर्समा आएको लङ सर्ट अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसन मैले दिएँ. यो खातामा सार्छौ अनि